Hello and welcome back to Peace, Mind, and Body. My name is Aliyah. Today's practice will be for Pilates. If you've never done Pilates before, this is a great practice to begin with. Even if you have done it for many times, if you've been doing it for several years, this is still a good practice just to get the pelvis movement, getting your alignment, and getting centered and clarity. All right, so let's begin. Sitting up nice and tall, heart is lifted, relax your energy, and take a breath in through the nose, and slowly exhale out from the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose, and slowly exhale out from the mouth. Good. I like to do some breathing just to center myself before I start anything, just to feel clarity. Just like taking a shower for your body. All right, now bringing your arms straight up, palms together, extending back, and then bringing your arms down. We'll do this a few more times. Inhale, palms together, extend back, and one more time. Good. Now just circle the head to the right and to the left. Okay, now feel relaxed. We're going to lay down on our back. And you can place your hands underneath your thighs and then lean back slow and steadily. Feet together. Now you want to make sure your hip distance apart. Line your frame. And we're just going to relax the muscle in the pelvis. So inhale. And then exhale. Tuck the pelvis in. Squeeze the belly in. And then release. We'll do this a few more times just to get the pelvis lubricated, getting the muscle going, the tissues. And placing your hands down, squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Two more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and slowly exhale. Good. Now we're going to bring the knee underneath the hips. We're going to tap down. Okay, so exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Continue. That's 2. We're going to do 10 of these. Again, keep the spine flat, imprinting, and the smile. Keep going. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Good. Now, keep the knee underneath the hips again. Bringing your arms straight up. Take the right arm, left leg down. Inhale. And then exhale down, rotate. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going, my friends. Just getting the body movement. Again, if you're a beginner or if you've been doing Pilates for a while, this is still good to keep the joints moving, activating. And last one. Good. Placing your hands down. Now we're going to do a bridge. So tuck the pelvis in. Inhale. Exhale up. And then slowly come down one vertebrae at a time and down. Good. Inhale. Exhale. And then slowly coming down one vertebrae at a time. Good. And again, inhale. Exhale all the way up. And then one vertebrae at a time. Good. Inhale. Exhale. and slowly come down. We're going to do this 7 more times. 2 more. And 2. One more. We're going to pause and just lift up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. And then go ahead and place your hands out and just rock to the right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. Okay. Now bring your both knees to your chest. And we're going to rock up and then rock down. One more. Get that core strong. Good. Now standing up and hold. Now we're going to hold here. Inhale. Exhale. Keeping your feet blue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. And then release. Good. If you want, just cross the leg, lift, and then. All right. Now from here, coming on your forearms, hands on the hips. We're going to lift the pelvis up. Inhale, exhale, and slowly come down. Inhale, exhale, and down. Continue this 7 more times. Good. You're doing great. Just inhale. Exhale. We'll do it one more time. Working the obliques. And good. Slowly. Good. Now, those knees are together. And then place a hand, arms straight up. We're going to rotate to the side. Stretch it up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. And then slowly coming back. Beautiful. Swinging the legs over to the other side. Facing your forearms down. Knees stacked together. Open the chest. And lift up again. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. And slowly come back. Take it one breath at a time. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. And down. 2 more. And slowly come down. Now come back up. Both knees stacked to the side, arm. And taking the right, left hand, and then take it to the side. And stretch and look. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. And then slowly come down. Good. And you want to windshield wipe your legs again. To the right, to the left, and to the right. Now we're going to go on our belly. Slowly. Move things down. Arms straight up. Now let's go. Head down. Take the right arm up. And the left arm. And down. Inhale, exhale. And down. And down. Continue. Last one. And relax your head. And relax. Good. Now from here, bend the knee, take it to the right, and take it to the left. Massage the lower back. And back. Now place your hands by the rib cage. Lift the head and throat the heart. Open up, throat, and then coming in. We're going to do a cat and cow just to warm the spine. As you look up to the ceiling, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. And back to center. And sitting on your sit bone. All right, now let's go ahead and do a butterfly. And just rotate. Bring it up and down. I'm counting to myself, so about 10 of them you want to do. And 10. Good. Now crossing your legs, and then let's go ahead and take the right arm and stretch it to the side. And then bringing your arms straight back, and let's do the other side. Inhale. Exhale, and back to center. All right, how does that feel? Quick and easy, right? Today, take one day at a time. Set your attention to whatever you like in your life. If you want joy, feel joy. If you want love, love yourself. If you want abundance, feel abundance. Not just money, but friends and values that you have and giving back to the community. Those are also contributing to you and the community. So I invite you to set your attention, take a moment to reflect on your poses and set your attention for the day. All right, guys, see you next time. Love and light to you.